The 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is the automaker's latest fully electric vehicle and the first pure electric Benz built in the United States, made at the company's Alabama factory. Two versions are available, each in premium, exclusive, and pinnacle trim levels. Priced at about $106,000, EQS 450 Plus supplies 350 horsepower and 419 pound-feet of torque, and has rear-wheel drive or 4MATIC all-wheel drive. For about $127,000, the EQS 580 boasts 536 horsepower and 633 pound-feet of torque, and includes 4MATIC as standard equipment. Inside, the dashboard is home to a 56-inch long-curved glass hyperscreen display that presents three different views to the driver and front passenger. One user-friendly feature of the infotainment system is the convenient "Hey, Mercedes" phrase used to wake up the voice recognition system. When asked, the system will change radio stations, navigate to a destination, or even set the temperature if you simply say, "I'm cold." Mercedes pairs the synchronous motor in the EQS 450 Plus with a 108.4 kilowatt-hour battery, yielding a maximum range of 305 miles. When it's time to recharge the EQS 450 Plus, Mercedes estimates it will take 12.5 hours of charging at 240 volts from a 32-amp AC charger to restore a completely spent battery to 100%. However, the automaker says it should take just 31 minutes to go from 10% to 80% battery charge on a 200 kilowatt DC fast charger. For more information on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs, visit the Capital One Auto Learning Center in the link below and follow our channel.